all. Yeah. I was reading in this dictionary, they have what's called civil rights. Rights guaranteed to citizens, specifically the equal rights afforded to all races, creeds, genders, and countries of origin. The rights provided by the 13th and 14th Amendments of the United States Constitution. The rights provided by the 13th and 14th Amendments of the United States Constitution. Now, Sheriff, you're going to have to enforce the rights of American citizens. Now, you've been playing this little show where it's all coins and dollars. Now, let me see here. 13th Amendment. Neither slavery nor involuntary servitude, except as punishment for crime, wherever the party shall have been duly convicted, shall exist within the United States or any places subject to their jurisdiction. Congress shall have power to enforce the articles by appropriate legislation. Now, there's the 14th Amendment. Have you ever seen any videos or have I put in any emails the 14th Amendment that guarantees my right to due process? Now, for every police chief and every sheriff in the United States of America that knows my guaranteed constitutional civil rights are being violated, and instead of enforcing the laws of the United States, they just thought they let local law enforcement violate the rights of American citizens. Now, I know that it says, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor to deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protections of the laws. Now, let's say I find out that I'm the target of a show to entertain those that are the which way, that I'm the star of the show that's going to make you rich and famous. And I never agreed to be in any shows. I was never paid to be in any shows. And my sons are being held hostage because somebody in law enforcement thinks that the show is more important than the rights. Now, my real life guarantees me right to life, liberty, and property. When you issue a protection order approximately 20 times, and 16 of those times, as the respondent, I was not given notice or opportunity to be heard. Every individual in the United States that has the legal obligation for the enforcement of the laws, that knows that my guaranteed civil rights are being violated, I can sue them all. Every one of them. That means every sheriff in every county. That means every police officer in every city. Now, for some reason, I didn't get an email this morning that would have given me the right to have my sons. Now, your stupid show is going to cost a lot of people a lot of years in prison, and it's going to cost them everything they own. Now, your fish shows, your Oprah shows, and your clone shows that are violating my constitutional rights are going to cost this nation trillions of dollars in damages for every oath of office that knows that my constitutional right to due process is being violated, that knows that my constitutional right to privacy is being violated, that knows that my sons are being held hostage, and instead of enforcing the real laws of the United States, you decided you were going to make a show. Now, Sheriff, you're going to have to enforce the Constitution of the United States. as much as you dislike the idea of actually having to enforce the laws of the United States, Sheriff, you're going to have to enforce the law. Do you understand? The laws of the United States are real. Your Oprah shows, your fish shows, and your clone shows are a joke.